We've pulled the truck into the garage for the spray painting. Let me wrap around to the other side. As you can tell, we've got, what do you call all this stuff? Paper, okay. Yeah, they've got all this stuff up. They're gonna start spray painting. Don't get any of the paint on the truck. He's got the primer bottle right now. Anyways, so are you gonna, what are you gonna start on first? Right here?
Yep.
Just gonna start right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Now you're gonna see a sick time lapse.
Yep.
Alright, we're spray painting the tailgate with primer, getting it ready so we could spray paint it with satin black. Just finished the primer on the trim, sanded it with the bright pad. Gonna go at it with some semi-flat black spray paint. Let's see how it turns out, guys.
Here we go, guys.
Really big spread. Is it a time lapse yet?
Not time lapse. Go ahead. Come on, show us what you're about. Guys, he's never learned how to spray before. He uses his thumb. Give it to me. Here.
Oh, I got it.
No,
it's my truck, man.
His truck, everybody. I'm the teacher here. The key to the spray paint, look how he's doing it. That's not good. I want to try to get light coats at the beginning.
Let's see how he does it, guys.
This is how you do it, guys. Always use your finger, not your thumb. Look.
Kind of looks the same.
I'm just covering it. Not covering it straight off the bat, you know. When you're rattle canning, it's important to get those coats even because it's not gonna look good if you just smash it on there, you know. Look at. Oh, the key.
You can't really tell, but
The key to a good spray paint, everybody, is the tape job. The tape job isn't good. And you're sanding. That's key. You want to sand more than you do everything else. Come on.
well, I just did a little quick sand.
Oh. Who?
All right, guys. Someone messed up on the tape job.
It was definitely not me because I don't think it got in there. Let me see.
It didn't, man.
Oh no!
No,
Everybody-
guys.
It got on it. What do we do, Trey?
Careful for the tire.
I'm not stupid.
Don't make it
I
drippy,
just got
man.
it in there again. Right there, but that's fine. Okay, here we go. Drippy. We have to get drippy over here.
All right,
bud.
do it nice.
Okay, before we start, let's look for any little cracks. Hey, Dad, you're in the middle of recording. It's getting drippy out here.
Watch out for the mirror, man.
Oh, yeah, huh? Well, I would spray the mirror. It's like...
This thing's about to look nice. I'll be part of the C10 crew, man. Finally. Finally.
He was never going to be a part of that crew. Too elite.
There's not even 2 in the group.
Okay, where's the tape here? Give me that cardboard.
Ah, shoot, I forgot.
It's fine. It's fine.
I
Hold
did
this.
every other thing.
Hold this. Like that. And look at that right there. Oop. That's not good. Get the tape. Yo, this is an amateur tape job by Trey. Just pour all the way around. Shine the light over in here so I can see.
The viewers can't see.
The viewers. Ow.
Oh.
Ow. Now. Hopefully that covered it. We're just gonna get free for all. That's what we live
Watch,
by.
dude, they're huge.
Oh.
Hurry up.
It's a free for all in here. That's what I like to live by.
Freehand.
Freehand.
Like he did on his truck.
I'm gonna get real deep in here.
That's why he has overspray in his truck. Garbage.
I don't have any overspray. You can't see it.
No, 'cause his truck.
I'm me.
Because his truck is green.
This is the worst tape job ever. Look. Get that, hurry.
What's what?
Maybe I can get it with my finger now. Guys, this is just amateur. Amateur. You'll be surprised with this black paint on white.
you got that side, dude.
Dude, Trey's an amateur tape job over here. Alright, that looks pretty done to me. That's as far as I can get in. If you just wipe that off, I kind of want to spray more. Okay, not in the right spot.
Don't spray any more over here until I have it good. How do I wipe that off? Alright guys, we finished the black spray paint in the trimming.
Yep. And down
Then-
there as well.
A lot of overspray, had to fix that up. Might be, there's still
Mom's
some
car is
on
still
the
running,
truck.
everybody.
And if you come down here,
Go
come
show
down
them
here,
the
you can there's a lot of glue, which we're using.
Frick, dude, there's water everywhere.
We're using glue on,
We'll update
glue off actually. We'll
Uh-huh.
update you on.
And here's the best. Dude.
Guys,
Shine it over.
man, that thing sounds nice, man. Man. It's not even done and it looks better than all your truck, man. Good thing I got this truck. Now there's
What did he say?
There's a can on it. Yeah, be careful.
Where is he putting it? In the back?
Paper. No, he's putting it.
Out in the yard.
Look at those lights in the bottom. They shine.
That's cool. A little bit of paper over that too.
Put mom's in.
Shoot, my camera's so bad.
How big the backing up to?
Alright, this is it.